Hello. Okay, so on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the SMS app, okay, on your funnel. Okay, either if you want to capture your the phone number of your leads, the incoming leads that they're going to get into your funnel, or if you already have a list and you want to import it here on MailingBoss. Okay, so give me a second to change the language here back to English on MailingBoss so we can get started. Okay, so the first thing is that you need to create a list that you will work on either import it, okay, or use it on a funnel. So I'm gonna use this list. So let me update it. So let me put here funnel number 1. Okay, set for display name and description. Okay, let's go to advanced and make sure that I already have a sender's email selected. If you don't have a sender's email, please refer to another tutorial about how to get a sender's email verified here in MailingBoss. Okay, so let's go and save changes. After this, we're going to go to fields. Here is the important thing, because here is where we're going to create the field for the phone number and the phone prefix. The phone number is also important as the phone prefix, because the phone prefix will help me to identify the country from this client. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this UDPR and I'm gonna leave only email, name, and the phone number and the phone prefix as well. Okay, so we can go and create the phone prefix, which is over here, and we're going to create the add a phone number text field. So you can see that the prefix are already here. Let's say that you are going to work with on a specific country, but you don't want to you don't want to skip the other countries as well. So let's say that you are on, let's say, London, okay, and on London you, or any other country, you want to put it on the top. So you know that you are going to use your ads specifically on London, okay? But if the ad is displayed for other countries as well, you want to have the opportunity for the other countries to include the phone number here, okay? So in order to have London on the first, okay, I can just leave it like this. It is automatically arranged on alphabetical mode, okay, you can see here. But for an example, I want to put London, okay, I want to put London at first because I'm launching my ad on London. So let's try and find London here. Let's try something else. Let's try, I don't know, Italy. Let's try Italy, okay? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna replace name Italy, value Italy to the other field. So I'm just gonna copy this into a notepad. So I'm gonna open a new notepad here on my computer on Windows, and I'm gonna put here the name and the value. So I won't lose this in any way. So I just need to go all the way to the top and replace Algeria, okay? Algeria by Italy, okay? And value, it will be the same that I already have down there. Unfortunately, in order to do this, you have to sacrifice Algeria to be able to have this on the top, okay? Otherwise, I could just leave like this. Another thing that you can do is that you can leave this default and select a default value, put it over here. But it doesn't work very well, because default value is that the value it will have automatically. If people don't select the phone prefix, it will assign that phone prefix. And if for some reason he's not from Italy and he's from Spain or France, okay, it will have the phone number from France, but the phone prefix from Italy. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it on blank. The required mode, it will be yes, and the phone prefix will be, the phone number will be required. Okay, a required field. So I'm gonna put the first name first. So I'm gonna go to sort order. I'm gonna put it on first, and the email, it will be second. Okay, the phone prefix is third, and phone number will be fourth. Okay, and I'm gonna save changes so I can rearrange all of these fields in a way that I just selected. Okay, everything has to be required, so name has to be required. Okay, this you need to do this either if you're going to promote your list into a funnel, or if you're going to import a list here on the MailingBoss. Okay, keep in mind that in order to import leads here, leads external list from to MailingBoss, you need to have the premium plan, okay, or the old Builderall Business 49.9 plan, or the ambassador plan. If you have these three plans, you can import external list here. Okay, if you want to import it, just go to import. Okay, it will require to set a fee. You will require to ask a few questions about where this list come from, especially the amount of subscribers you are going to import. Okay, like if you're going to import, let's say 5,000, you can import 5 times a list of 999 subscribers, because if it is more than 1,000, you have to wait for the approval of the team to import your list. Okay, so you can either try to import 5 times your list, or you can either import it just once, okay, and wait for the MailingBoss team to approve your list. Okay, so basically the next step after importing, you have to make sure that the fields and the tags are already there on your list, because if you don't have the phone numbers on your list, this method will not work, because you cannot collect. If you didn't collect before the phone numbers, you cannot know about the phone number the subscriber has. Okay, even if you are collecting them from the funnel, or if you already collected, if there's a way to find out the number, you have to or manually ask them for the phone number, or invite them to another funnel so they can just leave the details again there on your funnel. Okay. Okay. So let's go into MailingBoss. I don't know. I think I'm having problems with my connection. Okay. So we're back now. Okay. So I have here my first name, the email, the phone prefix, and the phone number. Okay. Okay. So just making sure that you already know and recreate this. So we're gonna go to my funnel here on Cheetah. Okay, so just erase this because we're not gonna need it, and this is the main object and the main element that we're going to use to connect, okay, this to this. Okay, so here in Cheetah, let's go here and let me change the language here to English. Set to English, just refresh the page, and we're gonna jump on it on the home page. Okay, so here we're going to connect the list on MailingBoss. Okay, so I'm just gonna where it says choose the list. Just refresh the editor. I'm not sure what it's taking in Spanish, but okay. So let's go back to the page, which is funnel number 1. Okay, home. So we're back. Okay. So here I'm gonna click on it, and where it says set list, so I can choose a list from MailingBoss. Okay, the list that I'm using is funnel number 1, so we're gonna go here in Cheetah and choose funnel number 1 and click on save. So you'll see that it will automatically add the fields: the first name, the email, the phone prefix, and the phone number. You can see that the phone prefix is not displayed, but personally I can choose show label, you can see here, and hide place show placeholder, or you can leave activated both. Okay, if you want to edit first name and email, you can go into MailingBoss and edit the label, because the label is the one that is shown here. So like put your name, put your best email. If you edit something, you have to go back here and set blank set list. Okay, set list, and here you're going to select the same list and click on save, so it will automatically be updated. Okay, so let's try it out. So if we save, that's fine. Perfect. So if we go to my website, you'll see this this form, which is perfect because I'm capturing this. I'm using this form to capture the phone numbers and just wait for the propagation. So that I can capture the phone numbers and use the built-in SMS tool on MailingBoss. Okay, just click on save again. Sure. Okay, so here it just updated. Okay, so you can see that Italy is first. Okay, Italy is first, and I can choose any other country and I can put my phone number. Okay. The other thing is that we have to go into the SMS app, which is this one. Change this to English. Sorry. So the other thing is that we need to buy credit in order to have the feature about sending SMS, because the SMS has a cost, and depending the amount of subscribers you're going to send the SMS, okay, it has a cost. Okay, so you can go to apps and go to SMS messaging. So you have this app open. So you can buy credits now. Click over here and you can buy the $20, say 50, and everything else. So let's go back and pretending that we already purchased here SMS. You can work directly on the SMS sender. Okay, if you go to people, you can add your own people here, add your own country, and add the phone number. But you cannot create funnels or connected desks into MailingBoss. Instead, we need to go into MailingBoss and go to menu. There we have instant messages. Okay, we're gonna click on instant messages and we're gonna create a new one. Okay, the first name will be for number one campaign. Okay, regular it will be autoresponder, because the meanwhile people are getting from my funnel, they will be receiving SMS. Okay, so it will be always active if you are having incoming traffic. But if you already have a list, let's say that you already have this list with the important list with, I don't know, 200 subscribers, and you want to send SMS message, you have to make sure that you have the phone prefix and the phone number. Okay, it doesn't work if you only have the phone number and you know that those phone numbers are from your country. You will have to export the list, place the phone prefix for every single one of the subscribers, and then import it back. Okay, so you need to import it back, so you will make sure that the phone prefix is there. Okay, so let's say that you already have like the 200 subscribers here and you want to send an SMS to them. So you can go back here to the integration and choose regular SMS is like you're going to send an SMS directly to them, and it will be just once. Okay, like if you jump into your phone, you type the SMS, it will be sent out just once. But if you put autoresponder, it will automatically like send the SMS. It will be always active. So if he like detects a new incoming subscriber, he will send automatically that SMS to the list to the subscriber. So I just gonna choose autoresponder, okay, and go to app and gonna select SMS. WhatsApp doesn't work, okay, so don't avoid using that option. So we're gonna go to SMS. It doesn't work because it is broken. It doesn't work because we just removed WhatsApp from the platform, so it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm gonna set that to SMS. Choose list. So you will see that I have a great amount of already lists here. You can see I have a great amount of lists, but it's only detecting just a few because those already have the phone prefix and the phone number. So it will only show the phone prefix and the phone number. Okay, so I'm gonna choose here the phone number one with one subscriber. Segment, you can just leave it like this because they have never received an SMS or a campaign before. So they are just new imported or new incoming new subscribers. Lead score minimum, lead score maximum, just leave it like that and write the message here. Hi, welcome to Builderall, or welcome to my course, welcome to my to everything, something like that. And you can choose here tags if you want to use a tag filter for your subscribers, but you can see that I don't have any tags on my list. Okay, the next step, if you want to use like a name, you can go here on available tags and choose F name. Why FName? Because if we go to the list, we go to the updated, and we go to fields, you can see that the first name label tagged is fname. So if you type there fname, it will automatically replace fname by the name of the subscriber. Okay, so if you go back here and choose fname, okay, fname here, so I can move this to, let's say that I want to move it to the beginning. Hi fname, so the fname will be replaced by the name of the subscriber. Welcome to Builderall. Okay, I can choose here auto respond the time value. So I want to send it, I don't know, 5 minutes, like 5 minutes, like this. Activate it 5 minutes from here. You can also choose another date or anything like that, like 5 hour. Um, let's say that he just entered, so if he will receive this email in 5 hours, okay. But if I want to send it right away, I'm just gonna choose 0 minutes, so the SMS will be sent out to him right away. Okay, just click on save and activate. Okay, and it will automatically send. Okay, you can just leave it like this, but you have to make sure that you always have credit. So you can go to the SMS app, go to the SMS pricing table. Okay, you can go find here your country, and you have to make sure that if you already have like 200 subscribers, you have to make sure that you have enough credit, enough to send 200 SMS messages. Okay. um, Another thing is, that's it. So that's how you use SMS messaging here on MailingBoss.